Only squares and other rectangles are used to make this 6-inch block. Using the quick corner method, you avoid dealing with messy triangles. This makes a perfect beginner project. Before you get started, you might want to download these directions. You can find them at learnhowtoquilt.com. Click on the Free Patterns tab, and then scroll down to One Block Wonders. For the lid, cut a piece 5 by 1.5 inches. For the jar, cut a piece 5.5 by 6.5 inches. From the background fabric, you'll need 2 pieces 1.25 by 1.5 inches, 2 squares 1.25 inches, and 2 squares 2.25 inches. Mark the diagonals on the wrong side. Use a 45-degree line on your mat to double check. Make sure to mark all diagonals. Put right sides together and sew on the line. When all have been sewn, press. You can trim the excess if needed. Put right sides together. Sew 1/4 inch seams. Press to the lid. Put right sides together and sew 1/4 inch seams. Press to complete your jar. I like to fill these jars with novelty fabric and then use them in I Spy quilts. Also add them to I Spy scrolls. Both make great baby gifts. Try experimenting by adding spaces between the jars and placing them on shelves. You might also like making this pumpkin block that's very similar to the jar, but instead of a lid at the top, this has a stem. Or just add 4 quick corners to 6.5-inch square. The possibilities are endless. By now you should have over half a dozen blocks for your sampler quilt. In the next Saturday sampler video, you'll learn how to use a quick corner method to make these simple houses. Thank you for visiting learnhowtoquilt.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and let your friends know about our videos.